guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the Rubik's Impossible in less than a minute. I'm right now it's solved, but I'm gonna mix it up at random. And I like to use methods of my own because I hardly search up other videos with other methods. But I have heard of quite a few, like the ZZ method, the Alex method, CFOP, Superflip. And there are a lot more out there that can get the regular Rubik's Cube solved in just a matter of seconds. But I'm going to be solving this using a method of my own. So I'm going to be starting off with the white face. I'm going to solve the white cross. Let's see here. Okay, so the white cross is going to look something like this. The blue piece, the white part doesn't change color, but the blue piece turns red. The white red piece, the white part turns orange, and the red part turns white. And the orange piece, white orange piece, the white part turns green, and the orange part turns yellow. And for the bottom part, the white green, the white turns yellow, and the green turns orange. Now I'm going to solve the four corners here. Alright, so I solved the first face. I'm going to tell you what the colors are. For this corner here, the white part turns yellow, the red part turns orange, and the blue part stays the same color. For this corner here, the white color turns orange, blue part turns yellow, and the orange part turns green. For this color down here, white turns blue, orange turns, let's see here, orange turns red, and green turns yellow. And this corner here doesn't change color at all, so it's white, red, and green. And I'm going to solve the four corners up here. Let's see here. What's it look like? Alright, so this corner here, I solved the yellow part, turns white. The orange stays the same color, and blue turns green. This piece here, the yellow turns orange, the red turns blue, and the blue turns white. And this corner here, the yellow turns white, the red stays the same color, and the green turns blue. And lastly, lastly, this corner here, the yellow turns red, the orange turns yellow, and the green stays the same. Okay, now I'm going to solve the yellow cross. Okay, now this piece over here is the yellow-orange piece. The yellow part turns red. The orange part turns green. And the next piece is the yellow-blue piece. The yellow stays the same color, whereas the blue piece turns red. Now next is the yellow-red piece. The yellow turns blue, and the red turns yellow. And lastly, the yellow-green piece. The yellow turns green, and the green part turns white. Now I'm going to solve the second layer. So I solved the green and red piece. The green turns white and the red turns blue. Now I'm going to solve this piece here. All the pieces turn the same color at once. So even though there are two of these pieces, this one is the green and orange piece, green part turns red, and the orange part turns blue. And now, to solve the last two pieces, this red and blue piece here turn green and orange, and this piece here, it's weird because the colors it changes into are the same. So this piece here and this piece here we are going to solve. Okay, now all the reds are solved, all the greens are solved, all the oranges are solved, all the blues are solved, and let's go to the yellows. All the yellows are solved, and all the whites are solved. Now, to solve that in less than a minute, I forgot to show in my last video that this timer was set to 0, and I started with that time. I'm gonna mix all this at random. Okay, it's all mixed. As you can see, none of the colors match up. And I'm going to look at it now. And I'm going to solve it in less than 1 minute. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay, that was 37.85 seconds, and all the pieces are in the correct place. Yeah, it's all solved. All the yellows and all the other colors. Hope you liked it. Now, see you next time with the regular Rubik's Cube, and I'm going to show you a different method on solving it. So, see you next time. Bye.